Hello everyone, this is Dr. Manoj Patidar, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Government College Manawar, Madhya Pradesh. Today I am going to discuss my work which I have carried out during this COVID-19 pandemic. Today's topic is Indian kitchen and unseen immunity against COVID-19. Here you can see the alarming situation of COVID-19. So to overcome this situation, I think three strategies should be applied. So number one strategy is the inclusion of immunomodulator like interleukin-15 and IL-7 for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. So it is true that hyperinflammatory responses are among the reasons and associated with the severity of these cases. But same time, depleted T cell and NK cell responses are also seen. So I think interleukin-15, which controls the each checkpoint of this T cell differentiation, might rescue this T and LK cell from this depletion, and this activated T and NK cell might remove the infected cells and the particle of COVID-19 virus. So I think the inclusion of this type of modulator might be useful. I have modified this interleukin 15 during my PhD to gain the optimum responses or optimum immunotherapeutic potential of this molecule, and for same we have filed this patent. Strategy 2 is to break the life cycle of this coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 by the combination of various available antiviral or antiparasitic drugs. Here you can see these drugs act on various checkpoints of the life cycle of this coronavirus. Similarly, until the discovery of treatment or vaccine, we can use natural compounds which are part of our daily diet. Like here you can see quercetin. It acts on the first stage of attachment of virus to the host cell. It blocks this attachment and entry of virus in host cells. Similarly, this quercetin also inhibit translation, replication, and assembly formation. So one compound acts on various stages. Similarly, various these compounds can break the life cycle and attenuate the virus or kill and provide the immunity to the population. Here we can see these compounds are found in various spices, herbs, and fruits which we take regularly. So why I am thinking when we critically analyzed the WHO data for malaria, and we found although in India we have very high risk of endemicity, but we get less infection than various other countries. So this protective immunity might be correlated with our food habits. So here you can see this allicin, quercetin, quinine, these are natural compounds, and these help in attenuation of this parasite and provide the immunity to the endemic population. Therefore, I think the daily diet of Indian consists of various natural products with compounds which all have various degrees of internal activities and help in fighting the unseen immunity. Apart from this, during this pandemic, I have also analyzed the psychological impact of this COVID-19 on various aspects of life through an online survey. Although this COVID-19 pandemic have many negative impact, but some positive impact like family bonding and faith toward God has increased during this pandemic. Another study was to evaluate the implementation of online education in higher education. And this, it is very necessary to understand the psychology of a student for online education. And I found majority of students are not in favor of this online education. So I am thankful to organizing committee, Department of Higher Education, Government of MP, and Government College Manawar. Thank you all.